You were humming in the hallway, bare feet on the wooden floor, coffee on the kitchen counter, sunlight spilling under the